So with these types of questions, it's usually easier to simplify inside the fraction first, right? We got 3 over 15. We know that can simplify to be 1, I don't know why it keeps doing that, 1 over 5. And then got y to the third over y to the fifth. When you're dividing those, you know, if we had y to the third over y to the fifth, just by itself in a separate expression, 3 subtracted by 5 would make y to the negative second, right? Because if you're dividing two terms where the bases are the same, the powers subtract. But y to the negative second, another way of saying that is 1 over y to the second. So up here with our red expression, y to the third over y to the fifth, that's y to the second with the 2 on the bottom. So all I've done so far is I haven't taken care of that 3 exponent that's out in the top right. I've just simplified the fraction. Now if I apply that exponent, the 3 has to become a power on top of everything inside. And the only reason we get to do that is because it's a monomial. There's not more than one term. There's no pluses or minuses separating the terms. That's the only reason why this 3 can come on top of everything. Okay. And then look, 3 on top of this 2. When you have a power on top of a power, the power should multiply. So it would make y to the 6 here. Okay. And to check yourself on that reasoning, you know, if you have y to the second being raised to the third power, whoops, that means y to the second times y to the second times y to the second. Y to the second times itself 3 times, right? So we're almost done. To finish simplifying this, 1 to the third is just 1. 5 to the third is 125. And then we've got y to the 6th still in the denominator. So that's our simplified expression.